Hi everyone watching this video. Our topic for today is articles. Articles is the base of English grammar. Articles is one of the most simplest topics in English grammar, yet many people find it quite confusing. In this video, I have made my utmost efforts to explain the topic in detail and make it simple to understand. Before I begin, I wish to inform everyone that if anyone is interested, they can join my online English grammar classes. You can inquire for the same on the number which is displayed on the screen right now. Hello friends, our topic for today is articles. I have prepared this video on the topic of articles in English grammar so that all those who would like to join my English grammar course can get an idea of how the contents of the online English grammar courses will be like. If you wish to join my English grammar course, then call or WhatsApp on the number which is provided in the description. I shall also display the number at the end of the video on the screen. Articles is one of the most simplest topics in English grammar, yet many students find it quite confusing. In this video, I have made my utmost efforts to explain the topic in detail and make it simple to understand its basic concepts. So let's get started. What is an article? Articles are very important words which are used in English language before nouns. Now this is very important as to the usage of articles, where it has to be used. Articles are generally used before nouns. Articles are of two types, definite and indefinite. This is definite articles, this is indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are the alphabets A and the word an. These two are indefinite articles. The word the is a definite article. Now what do we mean by a definite article? Definite articles is a word which is used in a specific situation for a specific thing, place, content, etc. The is a definite article, whereas a and an are indefinite articles. Let's move further. Now a and an are general determiners in article. Determiners is nothing but a word which is used before a noun. A and an are, we are calling them general determiners because they are used for things, person or places in general. Like if we say a boy, an apple, they are used for any nouns in general, as mentioned in the previous statement. An is used only before words or nouns starting with a vowel or words or nouns whose first alphabet is silent and the second alphabet is a vowel. If you see in this example, an is used before the word apple because apple starts with A. A is a vowel. And in the second statement, Noun or words whose first alphabet is silent and second alphabet is a vowel. Now look at this word, honest. In honest, when we pronounce the word honest, we pronounce it from O onwards. The H is silent. The H is silent. So we say honest. Because the H is silent and the pronunciation of the second alphabet is a vowel, therefore we put "and" before this word honest. Look at this word air. When we say air, we don't say hair. Although it is written as HEIR, but we pronounce it as air. Again here the H is silent and the second alphabet is the vowel, and therefore you put the word "and" in front of it. For those who don't know or are not yet sure of what vowels are, there are 5 vowels, 5 alphabets: A, E, I, O and U. These are 5 vowels. Now look at these examples. An airport. Again the first alphabet of airport is a vowel beginning with A, therefore we put an. An umbrella. U is a vowel, therefore we put the article an. An orange. O is a vowel, therefore article an. Now look at the next one, a bag. Now when you say, look at the word bag. The word bag begins with a consonant. Any alphabets other than the 5 vowels are called consonant. Now B is a consonant, therefore we put the article A. Okay. An honest man. This example is already mentioned over here. It's the same one. An inkpot. Again I is a vowel, therefore the article an. An enemy. E is a vowel, therefore article is an. An air. Again this is mentioned above over here. A cat. Cat begins with the consonant C, therefore the article a is used. A girl. Again girl begins with the consonant G, therefore a is used. A historical play. Historical, what kind of play? Historical play. So historical starts with the consonant H, therefore the article A. A few people. Again few begins with the consonant F, therefore article A. A little patience. Little begins with the consonant L, therefore article A. A couple of days. Couple begins with the consonant C, therefore the article A is used. 1,000 miles. Again 1000 begins with the consonant T, therefore the article A is used. A kilo. Consonant K, therefore article A. I hope you've got a rough idea. Now let's move further. This is the most common specific determiner and it is referred to as a definite article because basically it refers to a specific definite purpose, definite person, place, animal or thing. Now here we are talking about the article the. The is the most specific determiner. Determiner is nothing but a word which is used for a person, place, thing, animal or any kind of noun. All articles are called determiners. So please students do not get confused between determiners and articles. Articles are known as determiners and determiners are also termed as articles. The is the most common specific determiner and is used as a definite article because basically it refers to a specific. Now look at this word specific. It refers to a specific or a definite person, place, animal, thing, etc. Look at the example. The new book is interesting. What kind of book? New. Now what kind of book? New book. Now we are talking about a particular book which is new. Therefore we have used the article the, because we are talking about a particular book which is new. We are pointing out to a particular or specific book. See the next one. The bus will take you through the city. Now here again they are talking about a specific bus which will take you through the city. They are not talking about any bus in general. They are talking about a specific bus. Therefore the article the has been used. Now look at the few examples over here. The earth. Why we say the earth? We can also say a earth, or we can also use an instead of or the, because earth starts with a vowel E. But because earth is only one, it is special, it is something specific, therefore we use the article the. Similarly, the equator, because equator is something specific, definite. The moon, there is only one moon, one specific moon. The sun, one specific sun. The stars. Now you say stars are not one, stars are many, then why do we put the? Because stars are something specific which is found in the galaxy. They are not found on earth, but it is found in the universe, in the galaxy, therefore the stars. The yellow flowers. Now we are talking about flowers, specific flowers which are only yellow in color, therefore we put the article the. The blue umbrella. Again you are talking about a specific umbrella which is blue in color, therefore the article the. The Yamuna. Yamuna, we are talking about a specific river which is called Yamuna, therefore the. Similarly, the Alps. Talking about Alps are the mountains situated in Switzerland. So these mountains, Alps, are only found specific location and they are specific definite mountains, therefore they are termed the article the. The Nile. Nile is a specific river found in Egypt, therefore the article the. The Times of India. Times of India is a specific newspaper, okay, therefore the article the. Similarly, the Red Sea, again the name of a sea, specific sea, therefore the. The Holy Quran, specific holy book which is named as Quran, therefore the. The Ramayana, again a specific holy book which is named as Ramayana, therefore the. The Taj Mahal, specific, it's a specific architect, therefore the. The Red Fort, specific fort, therefore the article the. The Indians, we are talking specifically about Indians and not people in general, only we are talking about the Indians, therefore the. Similarly, the French. The Kapoors, now here we are talking about surnames, the Kapoors, specifically Kapoor surname, so the. The Jackson, again it's a surname, so the. The wise Akbar, we are talking about Akbar who was specifically a wise person, he was a wise king, therefore the. There were many Mughal kings, but Akbar was a special king amongst them, therefore the. The great Napoleon, again he was a ruler, a specific ruler who had great qualities, therefore the. I hope students you are getting my point. If you have any queries, you can WhatsApp me on my number and I will be more than happy to solve them. The principal is in the hall. Now here we are talking about, as I told you, see, when you want to add an article or when you want to pick out an article, what you have to find? You have to find the object, that is the noun. Now which are the nouns over here? Principal is a noun and hall is a noun. Now what are we specifically talking about? The principal is in the hall. Now why they put the and not a? Because they are talking about a specific principal, therefore the article the is used, who is in the specific hall, therefore the. The black car parked outside belongs to him. Now they are talking about a specific car that is black in color, therefore the article the is used. The wisdom that she showed is commendable. Now since wisdom is a noun, what kind of wisdom? Wisdom is something specific. When a person acts wisely, the person is said to have wisdom, therefore the article the. The dolphin is an intelligent mammal. Now here they are talking about a specific intelligent mammal, which is a dolphin, and therefore the article the. Now here we have some sentences. We'll practice on these so that you can get a better idea of articles, how to use them, where to use them. Alright, let's take the first one. There was dash knock on dash door. There was a knock on the door. When you write this, you say a knock, it means somebody is knocking the door, but you do not know who is knocking the door. So we are talking of someone in general, therefore we've used the article a. There was a knock on the door. Someone was not knocking on a particular door, therefore the door. Now these sentences are a continuation of a paragraph, but we have divided the sentences into separate ones. Alright, so now we know that the knock was general and the door was specific. Let's go ahead with the second sentence. I opened it. It refers to the door. Here it refers to the door. I opened it and found dash small dark man. And I found a small dark man. We don't know who the man was. Right now we just it's showing that we opened the door and we don't know who the person is. So we are talking about a small dark man in general. I opened it and found a small dark man in dash black jeans and dash woolen sweater. Now here the jeans, they are talking about specific jeans which are black in color, and they are talking about a specific sweater which is woolen. So when something specific comes, what do we add? The. Okay, now let's read the full sentence again. I opened it and found a small dark man in the black jeans and the woolen sweater. Now the third one. He said, now he refers to that small dark man. This he is the small dark man. He said he was dash employee of dash electricity company and had come to read dash meter. Now again, if you see this noun employee, it begins with a vowel. So we will write the article an. Again, electricity starts with a vowel e. So again we put the article an. He said he was an employee of an electricity meter and had come to read dash meter. Now he had come to read a specific meter, okay, at a specific door. That's why we put the article the. Next sentence. But I had dash suspicion he wasn't speaking dash truth. Now let's take this part of the sentence first, otherwise it will become too long for those who have just begun with articles. But I had dash suspicion he wasn't speaking dash truth. Now suspicion is in general, but I had a suspicion he wasn't speaking. Now truth is a value, it's a virtue, therefore it's specific, so we put the article the. But I had a suspicion he wasn't speaking the truth. Now let's take the next part. because dash meter readers usually wear dash company's uniform. Because the meter readers, okay, the specific people who read meters, and they read specific meters because the meter readers usually wear which kind of uniform? Company's uniform. So it's a specific uniform, so again we put the article the, because the meter readers usually wear the company's uniform. I hope you all are getting it, guys. If there's any query, please let me know in WhatsApp. Alright, let's take this one. Just a moment, I'll just zoom it a little bit so it becomes easier for you to read. Alright, now the fifth sentence. However, I took him to dash meter. Again, we are talking about a specific meter which was located at a specific door. So I took him to the meter. There's some problem with the pen, kindly excuse me. However, I took him to the meter which is in dash dark corner. Now we are talking about a dark corner, so we are not talking about any specific dash corner, okay. So the article a, which is in a dark corner under the stairs. Stairs are specific, therefore the stairs. However, I took him to the meter which is in a dark corner under the stairs. Next sentence. I asked if he had dash torch. If he had a torch, because we asked about any torch in general. We have not asked about any specific torch. We are talking about any torch in general. I asked if he had a torch. He said he disliked torches and always read dash meters. So once again the, because from the beginning we have been talking about the specific meter or meters, and always read the meters by dash light of dash match. So instead of using a torch, the man said he always read the meters with the light that was produced from a matchstick. He used to burn the matchstick and used to read the meters with the light produced from the matchstick. And always read the meters by the light. Now we are talking about a specific light which is produced specifically from a matchstick. So the light of a match. Now there are many matchsticks in a box and we don't know which specific light he was talking about. So you are talking about a matchstick in general. Therefore a match. Next one, seventh sentence. To prevent that possible repetition of dash accident, I lent him dash torch. Now here we are talking about a specific kind of accident, because here it is mentioned this accident could be repeated. They are talking about a possible repetition of this accident. So therefore the accident has become specific now. So we put the article the. To prevent that possible repetition of the accident, I lent him dash torch. Now this could be any torch in general, therefore a torch. Next one, I wish to travel in dash spaceship. Now this paragraph is over with torch. This part of the paragraph is over, which was divided in 7 sentences. Now these are different other sentences. 8, 9 and 10 are sentences from different extracts. I wish to travel in dash spaceship. Now we are talking about any spaceship in general. No specific spaceship has been mentioned, therefore we put the article a. I wish to travel in a spaceship. They brought me dash basket. Again we are talking about any basket in general. There is no specific kind of basket described, therefore a. Dash chef cooked dash excellent meal. Now here we know what kind of meal, excellent meal, and we know that excellent starts with a vowel E. So you can close your eyes and write the word an. But what will you write about the chef? Dash chef cooked an excellent meal. Now if you go to think of it, can all chefs cook excellent meals? No, there are selected few chefs who can cook really excellent meals. So therefore here Dash chef, we will put the article the, because we are talking about some definite chef, some specific chef who has cooked an excellent meal. Now this is another exercise. Now if you, just a moment, let me zoom it a little bit. Alright, now if you see in this exercise, see the title, complete each sentence by choosing a and the or no word. There are 4 options, but all 4 options are not given in all the sentences. A and the, and for no option there is a circle and a slash, this one. Let's take the first one. Can you see dash sun when it is rainy and cloudy? Now as I told you, earth, universe, sky, sun, moon, stars, they are all specific and definite. Therefore, we will always use the article the. This is the right answer. Can you see the sun when it is rainy and cloudy? Alright. Hope guys you are getting it. Second sentence. Yesterday I saw dash beautiful blue bird at the park. Now what kind of bird? The bird they have put specifically, it was a blue bird and a beautiful bird. Therefore, we use the article the. He was wearing a hat. This is the first sentence. Now there are 2 sentences. He was wearing a hat, full stop. It's complete. The second part of the sentence. Dash hat is brown. Now you know this person was wearing a hat, only one hat, which was something specific, a specific hat. Therefore, the hat was brown. Alright, let's come on to the fourth one. What is dash correct answer? 20 or 25? Now they are giving you 2 options. One is 20, the other is 25. Now they are asking you what is the correct answer. So any one answer which is specific, therefore we use the article the. Next one. Brazil is dash country. The country is located in South America. Brazil is, here we will put a, because first we are talking about a country in general. Brazil is a country. Because the country is named Brazil, therefore in the next sentence they have used the article the for the noun country, because they are talking specifically about the country Brazil. Okay. Sixth one. I love to eat dash apples. I usually eat an apple every day. Now look at the second part of the sentence, that is this part of the sentence. I usually eat an apple. They've already mentioned the article and, because apple starts with a, which is a vowel. Now here I love to eat apples. Now you tell me guys, what will you add here? An or the or nothing? Here you will add nothing, because you cannot say I love to eat an apples. An is used always for a singular item. Okay. The is also used for singular items, something specific. But here if you see, the noun is in plural, correct? Because of the S in apples. Therefore, the answer will be A, that is none of it. I love to eat apples. There will be nothing in between. See the seventh one. Where did you put dash ticket? My birthday is on dash last day of September. Now here they are talking of which day? The last day of a specific month, September, therefore the article the. My birthday is on the last day of September. Alright, now the ninth one. Ferdinand was dash only student. In our, there is a misprint, here should be in our class. Ferdinand was dash only student in our class to get an A plus on the exam. So here we are talking about a student, particular student whose name was Ferdinand, therefore we put the article the. Ferdinand was the only student in our class to get an A plus on the exam. 10th one. Mari usually eats dash sandwich for lunch. Now here they have only mentioned sandwich, but what kind of sandwich they have not mentioned. So any sandwich in general, therefore the article a. Mari usually eats a sandwich for lunch. Mexico City and London are both dash big cities. Now again they are talking about two cities, one is Mexico, the other is London, and cities, which is again plural. So in case of plural there will be no article. So the answer is B, none of the above. 12th, what is dash meaning of this word? Do you have a dictionary? Okay, now they are talking about a specific word and they are finding the specific meaning of the specific word, therefore the article the answer is B. What is the meaning of this word? Do you have a dictionary? Alright. Thirteenth, we had dash great time on our summer holiday. Now they are talking about summer holiday and they are talking about time. There are two nouns, one is time, one is holiday. But here, since holiday is coming at the end of the sentence, an article has to be placed before the noun which comes earlier. So therefore we are talking about the noun time. Now great time we had, great time dash great time, it could be any time. So therefore in general we had a great time on our summer holiday. 14th, he has to go to a very important meeting on dash Tuesday. He has to go to a very important meeting on dash Tuesday. What do you think? What will be the answer? There will be no answer over here. A will be the option, because we don't know which Tuesday they are talking about. Okay, and since Tuesday is a proper noun, we cannot place a and we cannot place an before proper nouns. Therefore this is the answer. Do not know, not applicable. You can also call it as not applicable. So you will say this sentence as he has to go to a very important meeting on Tuesday. No article here. 15. A is the first letter of the English alphabet. Now we are talking about A, which is a specific alphabet. Therefore the article the. A is the first letter of the English alphabet. If you see here also, they have put the article the before alphabet because they are talking about specific English alphabets. Got it? The last sentence. Could you please give this paper to dash Emily? Again here Emily is a proper noun and we do not place articles before names of persons or places. Therefore B is the correct option, which is not applicable. So the question will be read as, could you please give this paper to Emily?